Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and we're back to shed a little light on some commonly held beliefs about skincare that aren't 100% true.
So, without further ado, let's get into today's topic where we'll debunk 5 common skincare myths.
So let's start with one we used to get from our followers and customers. Oily skin doesn't need a moisturizer.
The truth is, if your skin is overproducing oil, it may actually be dehydrated or in need of extra hydrating and moisturizing products.
And if your skin is oily, it's probably acne prone as well. So make sure to incorporate a lightweight moisturizer that infuses hydration without clogging pores.
My combo skin, which gets oily in the T-zone, is actually what inspired our lightweight gel-like Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's made with loads of hydrating watermelon extracts that infuses skin with hydration.
We made this moisturizer to sink right into skin, so it's never heavy and it definitely won't clog pores. So if you're suffering from oily skin, give it a try, or just try incorporating any lightweight moisturizer into your routine and you'll see a difference.
Another myth we hear often is that you only need to wear sunscreen on days when the sun is out. Not only is this untrue, but following this myth over time could lead to tons of skin damage.
So let's start by breaking down exactly how sun damage occurs. Your skin needs some sun exposure to help create vitamin D, and there's melanin in your skin that helps protect against harmful UV rays.
However, too much exposure to the sun's harmful UV light can burn the skin, which reduces its ability to produce elastane, which can lead to premature aging. In extreme cases, repeated sun exposure can also lead to skin cancer.
Even on cloudy days, when we don't see or feel the sun shining directly on us, its ultraviolet rays are still reaching us, and these are the light rays that can cause skin damage.
The bottom line, wear sunscreen every single day and reapply every 2 hours. It should be the last step of your daytime skincare routine, after your moisturizer and before makeup.
Our next skincare myth is that the harder you scrub, the cleaner your skin will be.
The truth is that using harsh physical scrubs or exfoliants can damage your skin's protective barrier and lead to redness, irritation, and infections like acne.
This is why we love the K-Beauty method of chemical exfoliation over physical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliants, which you'll find in the form of AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs, break down the glue that holds your skin cells together or help to disperse oil and dirt that can clog your pores.
We recommend avoiding harsh microbeads or shells because they can cause micro tears on the surface of your skin, leading to long-lasting damage. After cleansing, your skin should also not feel tight or squeaky clean, even after all the dirt and makeup has been removed.
If you love that squeaky clean feeling an exfoliating cleanser gives you, look for one that uses gentle chemical exfoliants and non-stripping surfactants.
This tip actually leads us to our next skincare myth, that it's best to wash with hot water because it opens up your pores and cleans them out better.
The reality is that super hot water dries out your skin. This is another factor that can damage your skin's protective barrier and lead to inflammation, excessive dryness, and overproduction of oil and more issues.
It's also a fact that your pores don't open and close like some people say they do. Gentle steam may loosen any buildup deep inside your pores, but heat doesn't physically cause their openings to expand.
We've actually walked through how pores work and the best way to take care of them. So if you're looking for a deep dive into pores and how they work, we'll link that video in the description box below.
This also means that cold water can't shrink the openings of your pores either. The best course of action is to make sure you're washing your face with lukewarm water, even in the shower.
Our last skincare myth deals with one of our all-time favorite skincare ingredients and one that we get questions about almost every day.
People often want to know if their sensitive skin is actually too sensitive to use retinol. Retinol works at the cellular level to increase skin cell turnover, produce new layers of skin even faster, and essentially rejuvenate skin from the inside out.
Specifically, prescription retinoids can have intense side effects. Those with sensitive skin should look for less potent but still effective formulations.
We included encapsulated retinol in our new avocado retinol line because we wanted to make sure even the most sensitive skin types could use and benefit from this ingredient, because it's one of our favorites.
By encapsulating an active ingredient like retinol, it actually allows it to sink deeper into the skin's layers instead of activating all at once on the surface and causing sensitivity.
We have another deep dive video into all things retinol in skincare, so if you want to learn more, check out the link in our description.
We hope you learned some new skincare tips today, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, get your glow on!